What's up guys, welcome back to another Pokemon TCG video, and in this video I will show you guys how you can create a binder in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. To create a binder, once you open up your Pokemon TCG app, go over to your card collection tab right here, in the bottom left corner. Once you're on your card collection, if you're high enough level, you will see this binders tab unlocked. So for me, I unlocked it just a few days ago, so let's now create a binder. So go ahead and click on the binders tab. And here you can see a binder that we previously created in a video about equipping flares. So I will create a new one by just clicking this empty plus space here. Once you're here, you can click on this binder thumbnail right here to customize it. So here we have three different options. I will change it to this Meowth thumbnail that I previously purchased. And now let's name our binder. So I will just call it binder 1, but you can call it whatever you wish. So I will just click OK to confirm my selection. And now let's add some cards to the binder. So as you can see in the upper right corner, you can add 30 cards to a single binder. So to add a card, click on one of these empty spaces in the binder, and then a card menu will load. So let's filter this by rarity, and I will just click it again. And here you have the cards from rarest to the most common one. So to select a card, just simply click on it, just like so. And there we go, let's select these 9 cards for start. And once you select your cards, just click add right here. And now your cards are added to the binder. But this binder currently only you can see. So to set the binder to public, you would just need to take a look in the upper left corner and set this tag to public right here. Or you can even change this to visible only to friends. But for this tutorial, I will just set it to public and click on the X icon. So now you have your binder cover, your binder status is set to public, you have 9 cards in your binder, and you changed the binder's name. So if you're happy how the binder currently looks, you can just click save right here. And this is how your binder will look to other people and you when you open it. Also, if you would like to further edit your binder or even select a flare for one of your Pokemon cards, you can click edit right here. And let's add a new card with a flare on it. So I have a flare for Slowbro, so I will just search for Slowbro right here in the search menu. And again, just click on the card that you want to add and press add. So now we will scroll down a bit. And to equip a flare, you will need to click on the card that you own a flare for. And once the card is marked, this little window with a flare icon will appear. So you will just need to click on the flare icon and select one of your flares. Now just click use. And once the flare is selected, you can click save. Now if we scroll down a bit, you can see a Slowbro card with a flare equipped. Also, if you would like to know more about Pokemon flares and how to craft and equip them, you can watch this video right here. So that's how you can create a binder in Pokemon TCG Pocket. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.